Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Audi Q5 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is in wiper service mode to position the arms correctly. You'll need new blades. The driver's side is usually 24 inches, and the passenger's side is 20 inches. The rear blade is typically between 13 and 15 inches. Always place a soft cloth or towel on your windshield to prevent damage if an arm accidentally drops. To remove an old blade, gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it clicks into its upright service position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this to release the blade. Once released, slide the old blade straight off the arm. Remember to carefully lower the bare wiper arm back down onto your protective cloth, preventing it from snapping against the windshield. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat this process for the other front wiper blade and the rear wiper blade, if you are replacing it as well. Once all new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Next, return to your Audi's MMI system to exit the wiper service mode, allowing the wipers to return to their resting position. Finally, activate your wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and provide clear, streak-free visibility across your entire windshield. Enjoy your improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.